Hello and thank you for calling Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are cutting out a quarter glass here on this Mazda CX-30. We have our bat attached to the back here, and we have this double wrapped around this side here. So we have taken our line and we have wrapped it around here twice, and you can see we are crossing the streams here as well. So you want to take your bottom and run it around the top so these cross. And these ones are pretty easy because they're nice and narrow. So we're going to go ahead and cut this out. And because of our cutting angles, we're going to use the bottom spool to cut because we want to pull down this way. So get started with this. Make sure we are good and anchored. Put our elbow on the glass here so we don't lose it to the ground. Pop that pin. And we can start to cut, and you can see right here our line pulling through. You reach inside. Make sure you're missing your trim. We checked this earlier and made sure we had enough clearance. Usually Volkswagens and Audis are the ones you have to be careful with because they sit almost right against the glass and often against the glass. So I need to spin this guy here. You can see it pulling through. So we've got a little bit hung up here on this rubber. Pull that clear. I don't have my little shields with me right now, and they all broke. So there we go. And just like that, we are clear. Pop those pins. Nice clean cut. Got a little wrinkle in it right there, no big deal. And we are clean. Alright, so next time, see you in the next video.